Today we are in the town of Camillus at the Erie Canal Park and Sims Museum Store. Show you a little bit more in a second, but first I have to explain a little bit about this video. We're actually going to do it a little bit different. At the end of this short video, we'll have a couple links and you can click on one of those to go to another video to further explore this area. So it'll be like a choose your adventure type thing. And once we get up to that part, probably in a few minutes, I'll tell you what's happening then. So let's go take a look. So the building they have here that we'll see in a second is a recreation of this building. This is about an 1898 photo. You can see they're right on the water. Take a quick look here. Let's take a walk. This thing, if you have a bike, this is a place you can fix it and everything right here. And all your tools you need down there. And air also. There's a whole bunch of people out today. As usual, it's a very popular area. Sims store. Apparently it was about 2 miles away from this location. And they have some interesting facts over here. Oh, no thanks. Yeah. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. That's a... Thank you. Everyone's so friendly here. So from here we can either keep walking down the trail or take a look at this boat and some of the other stuff in this area.